Before we get to Ryan with your weekend forecast, check this out. Feeling a lot like fall in Maine. People in New York City are thinking about winter, though. The ice skating rink at Rockefeller Center opens to the public tomorrow. Tickets for 1 hour of skating are $21 a person. A little history here. The rink officially opened on Christmas Day in 1936. It was supposed to just be a temporary addition. Certainly it became very popular, so it became permanent. Nowadays, 250,000 people visit that rink every year.
Wow.
Real sign right there,
Yeah.
right?
Showing off a little in that.
I had no idea it opens this early. I figured like maybe Thanksgiving.
Yes,
I
I
was
figured it was
surprised
around
by that,
Thanksgiving, the
yeah.
tree lighting,
Yeah.
all that.
Right.
Yeah.
October. There you
Yes.
go. You can do your ice skating.
Pack as many people in as possible.
Exactly. I will actually be in New York City on Monday for an event.
There you go.
Pack your
maybe-
skates.
I'm not much of a skater.
okay.
I'll admit that, but maybe, nice
Don't have to
picture.
You can show us your moves, whatever they are.
Exactly. I'll try. More of a ski guy. We got a
that's fair.
while to go before we get
no rush
there.
on that one.
Take a look outside. This is Brownville. Nice view of what's likely past peak color there, but still some nice colors if you want to head up north this weekend. And on the southern part of our state, Kittery and Portsmouth looking pretty nice. It's a mild 65 there right now. We've been warmest, as is often the case, from Portland down through Kittery. The rest of the state in the 50s to near 60 right now. Big difference between tonight and last night is that tonight will not cool down quite as quickly, and that's because we have a frontal system coming in from the west. This will bring clouds to the northern half of the state and maybe even a few showers there later tonight. Southern Maine will stay dry, but because of this system coming in, it won't get all that chilly tonight. We'll show you this here hour by hour. 8 o'clock, temperatures for most of us are still in the 50s at that point, upper 40s to low 50s by midnight, with a few showers going through the mountains and up north, and a few of these may linger into first thing tomorrow morning for those of you mainly Bangor north. Bangor south, the sun will be out first thing in the morning, and it'll be a nice looking day tomorrow with temperatures in the 50s to near 60. However, it will be windy, and that wind's going to be coming in out of the northwest. And look at what that does to the temperatures in the mountains and up north. 40s there during the day tomorrow, while we do warm up a bit more farther south. And that wind will really be kicking up. We'll likely have some gusts midday tomorrow that get close to 40 miles per hour in spots. Not enough for power outages. Could be an isolated one, but certainly enough to knock down a lot of the leaves, strip them off the trees, and just be disruptive if you have outdoor plans during the day tomorrow. Sunday's forecast is a little bit interesting. There will be some moisture coming up from the south, and the biggest question is how much, if any, of that moisture makes it into southern Maine during the day. I think you're guaranteed a dry day north of about Lewiston, and there will even be some sunshine there with temperatures in the 50s. But from Lewiston south, there may be a few showers that come in from time to time, and certainly a lot more cloud cover. So that will hold our temperatures over the southern coast probably only in the lower 50s for highs on Sunday. This rain is more likely to come in overnight Sunday night into Monday, and that's when all of us begin to get into this rain. And Monday looks like a pretty wet day with periods of rain, especially during the first half of the day. And we may get a little soaking out of this with 1 to even 2 inches of rain falling on Monday in some spots. So again, the Sunday forecast is if you're farther south, it'll be cloudier with maybe a shower. Farther north, drier with a little bit more sunshine. Seas tomorrow 4 to 6 feet, and with the wind whipping, there is a gale warning up on the water. So tomorrow is a bright day, but it is going to be windy with some gusts close to 40 miles per hour. For Sunday, there may be some showers in the afternoon to the south. Central and northern Maine should stay dry. Then it's wet for Monday with periods of rain. Could be a few isolated showers, especially in the mountains on Tuesday. And then after that, just a typical October chill brings us into the middle of next week.
That.
Yes,
Extra
for
layers
sure.
in the mornings.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thank
You're
you.
welcome.